So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add a new clip to a video here on InShot. So for example, I have this sort of countdown video right here, but this is just one clip. If I wanted to add a clip after this, go ahead and just press on in the bottom left corner the red square with the plus arrow. And then go ahead and press on either blank or photo or video. I'll just go ahead and press on blank for this example. So now once you guys are here, if I wanted to change this as to example, let's just say, I don't know, a red background like this. I've now added another clip. So here's my first clip right here. Then there's my second clip, and that's my video. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can add a new clip to a video here on InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.